Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Tuition. In this tutorial, I'm not going to create anything, but I want to ask you a question and get your opinion. Now we are creating a series of tutorials where you will learn the recent version programming language from scratch. So my question is, which language do you really need to learn? PHP or JavaScript? I have created a poll on the top right corner over here. You can give me your opinion using the poll or just comment us in the comment section. But first, let me show you what we are creating in this tutorial series. So first, we will take a look at the basic understanding of your chosen language. We will learn everything from scratch, so you don't need to have a basic knowledge of this language. So this will become a beginner friendly series. We will make a 5 to 10 minutes of tutorial lectures so you won't get bored, and at this time we cover each topic independently. Taking this series will help you to write your own programs. Afterwards, on each video I will ask you a question in the comment. So you just need to answer that question in your own words. In the end, we will learn your chosen language from the examples. Using example, you will know where to use syntax and where to use class, functions and its properties and all that stuff. Are you excited? I am. Hit the like button if you are excited. Subscribe to this channel to get notification of my new tutorial series, and don't forget to share me your opinion in the poll or in the comment section. If your language is not in the poll options, then you can comment us. So just comment us with your language name. That is all for now. We will see you in the tutorial series.